started. Usually I don't struggle that much to get it started. Alright, alright. Better get you guys mounted. Alright. Good deck. Good deck. For traffic, Baron 683 Delta Delta taxi, runway 22, Beaufort.
TAWS system test. Okay.
Alright, let's reset our fuel. 166.
Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 26 Celsius. Dew point 12 Celsius. Altimeter 299.5. Remarks. Density altitude 1,200.
Alright, let's listen to the
Field Airport.
Let's listen to the wind.
Weather observation.
It's kicking now.
1909 Zulu. Wind 220 at 15. Visibility 10.
Alright, so it doesn't say the gust, but it was earlier. Beaufort traffic, Baron 683 Delta Delta departing runway 22, Beaufort. Alright, let's get our air conditioner off. Nobody's coming. We'll keep an eye out. I don't see anybody coming. Here we go, away we go. Alright, power is set. Airspeed's alive. Looking for 90. There she goes. How's the rate gear coming up? Lights off. Goddamn phone. A quick glimpse out of the shore. Ooh. Some boats out there. Oh, a sailboat out there. He's kicking. Turn this way up this shore. Oh. Beaufort traffic, Baron 683 Delta Delta is going to be departing the pattern to the northwest. Atlantic Beach up here. Go direct, enter, have. Get our air conditioner back on for a little bit.
Take Greensboro traffic, medevac East Gear 5, now 5 miles south of the field, descending at 1,500 for the ECU help facility. Take Greensboro traffic.
Turn over this way a little bit. Cherry point arrival, bearing 683 Delta Delta.
Baron 683 Delta Delta, cherry point arrival, cherry point altimeter 29905.
905, we're just off of Beaufort looking to pick up the IFR back to Greensboro, GSO.
November 3 Delta Delta, squawk 3617.
3 Delta Delta.
November 560 Mike Tango, Greensboro approach, altimeter
That's Martin Truex's beach jet.
Visual runway 33.
Flown that one before.
Visual 33, zero Mike Tango.
Number 0 Mike Tango, clear to visual approach runway 33, contact Winston Tower 123.75.
Over the tower and clear for the visual 33, zero Mike Tango, good day.
Number 3 Delta Delta, turn left heading 300, descend and maintain 3000.
300 down to 3000, 3 Delta Delta.
Axio 302, contact Charlotte approach 128.32.
2832, have a good 302.
American 2242 Greensboro approach, expect runway 23 left. November 3 Delta Delta, cleared visual approach runway 23 left.
Cleared visual 23 left, 3 Delta Delta.
Brickyard 3589, descend and maintain 6000. November 08 November, fly heading 180.
This dude's like he's 8 miles in front of us.
Bonanza 08 November, descend and maintain 5000.
I don't know that we needed 8 miles or 7 miles of separation, but hey, that's okay.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, contact tower 119.1.
Tower 19-1, 3 Delta Delta, good day. Greensboro Tower, bearing 683 Delta Delta, is visual 23 left.
Baron 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land number 2 behind a 717 4-mile final, and a caution wave turbulence, winds 31013, gust 22.
Okay, clear to land 23 left, 683 Delta Delta. Boy, 32 would be nice today, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it will be. I think it'll be open around September or so.
That'll be good. My goodness, it's bumpy. Start slowing down so we get our gear in depth. There's Air Harbor over there. Alright, localizers captured. Alright, speed checks. There goes our glide slope. Here comes the gear. 1 notch of flaps. There's gear up right there.
Delta 2539, return Kilo 1, taxi to park via Kilo, monitor ground 1.9.
Kilo 1, Kilo to parking and over to ground. Delta 2539, good day.
Good day.
Trimming up as we slow. I'll trim some more. And about for full flaps. We're going to put ground in here at 21.9. Boom, boom, bada bing. Right now the wind is down the runway, but it's according to the little A size, it's a direct crosswind. According to the airplane crabbing, it's from the right, but not according to the little wind thing, but Garmin, but who knows. We're not hitting too many bugs, too. Plane just got cleaned up. Alright, we're doing about 119, 120, so speed checks for full flaps. Yee-haw. Alright, speed's gotta be trending. Oh, there we go. Now we're looking good. Looking good. Speed checks. Here comes full flaps. They're moving. And indicated.
$500.
X. Oh, don't get too fast on me.
Tower Picard 3589, visual 23 left.
Alright, autopilot, LDM's away.
Picard 3589, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left. Clear to land 1300 at 10, gust 21.
Alright, 4 landing checks are complete, and now the wind is definitely shifting. We're gonna hold this little crab until we get low, and then we'll go left rudder, right aileron. Cross control. Power's coming off. Ooh, baby. Greasy, greasy runway. Careful there. And 3 Delta Delta's going to signature. Ooh.
Air 3 Delta Delta, you could turn right at Kilo 1, and for now, hold short of Kilo. I'll probably get you straight ahead momentarily.
All right, Kilo 1 will hold short of Kilo, 3 Delta Delta. Give her a little beans. Coast on down.
And 3 Delta Delta, right turn, Kilo 1 straight ahead to the ramp. You can monitor the ground 1 off 0.9.
Okay, Kilo 1 straight in the ramp, we'll monitor the ground, 3 Delta Delta. Good day.
Good day.
Look at the windsock, hanging straight out. Oh, Lordy. Oh, what is that little, did I see CJ come out? Oh, Phenom, I think. What, that is a little Phenom 100, maybe? All right, we're over on ground, we got our lights. The wind is still pushing me. Alright, well, thanks for riding along. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.